Hello mga kasubs and welcome to the Sarsicles TV. You got me, Mark. And on this beautiful Sunday evening, it's 21 past 7. We have here, this actually came across my feed and I kind of dig this band. They've been with us for quite some time, several decades. I'm talking about Kamikaze featuring Basti Artadi, equally popular band as well, where he fronts. The name goes as Wolfgang, and they will be performing Kamikaze song entitled Halik. Halik is kiss in English. So before we give it a go, just a quick thank you to all our viewers, subscribers, members, and sponsors. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Excuse me. And without any further delays, let me just quickly set the subtitle to English so that you can follow with the lyrics. Kamikaze has been known to be, a hard rocking band, but they add like humor in the lyrics, some punchlines and stuff. Very cool band to listen to. So without any further delays, let's give the song a go in 3, 2, 1. It should go any moment now. There you go. And that is the end of the song. I kind of I kind of dig that riff because it has that feel good vibe. The intro part, you know, before hearing the lyrics, which I will talk about later. That you know, it has that tropa vibe. Tropa vibe is like, you know, you and your company, your troop. You know, when you're with your friends, that's the good vibe this tune brings. Now going to the lyrics, so it's all about a relationship going cold, and then the chorus explains that the love interest, came to his or her senses, and then just left without saying goodbye. So the guy saying, you know, I told myself I'm not gonna miss you, but until when will I try to, you know, bear that this situation, something like that. So yeah, it's a nice song to listen to with the tropa, especially when you're trying to go when you're going through a breakup, or you know, when you're having relationship troubles. You know, this is like a feel good song. Um, so just for you know, just being honest, I know that I felt that the first chorus felt awkward because I think they all came strong. Both Basti and Jay came strong in the chorus. That I think they did not really like sync very well, along with the guitarist who also did some backing vocal part. But other than that, second succeeding choruses and all that, I think they warmed up, I guess, to each other, and it sounded really good. My favorite part in the song was Basti Artadi's run during so there's this instrumental part, and he did this nice, you know, mellow run like the let's have a go at that, somewhere around 3 minutes. So let me take you to 2 minutes 50 into the song, and let's have a listen. Here we go. So that was a cool run there. You know, not doesn't have to be heavy. You know, it's just a nice vibe that it brings. Also, I like the chorus part. You know, where all three vocals, Jay, Basti, and the guitarist, came with their chorus. You know, bigla lang natauhan, na 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 na. You know, it's just a rocking song. It's kick ass. So for those of you who haven't listened to other, you know, Kamikaze song, I do encourage you to give them a go. Both this style live performances, and also those unplugged performances that they have. You know, very cool band. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite Kamikaze song. Me, I would say my all-time favorite would be Unang Tikim. So there you have it. That's my reaction. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, these are the stuff you can do to show loving to our channel. Please do as many as you can. Don't forget to tell your family and friends about the Sarsicles TV. Sharing is caring, and most importantly, stay safe, everyone. I'll see you on the next video.